Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss some practical ways to save money to create wealth in the future. Before we proceed, a quick reminder to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video with your friends and family members so that they will also benefit from the financial education that we are sharing together. Now let's get started. How to save money now. Number one, identify the reason to save. Are you saving for an emergency? Are you saving for your children's education? Are you saving for a small project or a business? Are you saving for retirement? Being able to identify the specific reason or purpose for saving will serve as a drive to motivate you to start saving your money now. Number two, set your savings target, amount, and the time frame. Now that you have answered the question why and what you want to save for, the next step is to set your savings target amount and the time frame. So, how much do you want to save? What period of time? So, how much do you want to save and when? For example, Lucky may say, I want to save $5,000 by July 30th, 2024. I want to save $5,000 in the next 2 years. Note, the target amount and the time frame must be specific. Next, break down your savings target amount and the period. If you break down the savings target amount and the period, then it will become more achievable in your mind, and also it will help you to take action easily. Using the example of $5,000 that I mentioned for emergency by 2024, you can break it down this way. I want to save $208 monthly or $96.15 bi-weekly from today, July 2nd, 2022, so that I can have a minimal balance in my account of $5,000 by the end of July 2024. And how did I arrive at $208? It's simply by dividing 5,000 by 24, because we are talking of 2 years. I could also do the same if I want to save on a bi-weekly basis. $5,000 divided by 52. Now this is an example. You could set whatever goals that work for you based on your financial situation today. But you have to realize that you can modify that amount. You have to realize that with time, you can increase the amount just as your financial situation improves. The important thing is to be realistic on the amount and the frequency. Next, set up automatic withdrawal from your checking or salary account to that specific savings account. How do we do this? Go to your bank or online today and set up a monthly or a bi-weekly withdrawal of whatever amount you think will work for you. Tell them to withdraw that amount from your salary account to that specific savings account. No excuses. Commit to the amount and take action starting today. Next, review your savings account on a monthly or a quarterly basis. I assure you that once you have set up that automatic withdrawal from your salary account to that savings account, you'll be surprised how you are able to adjust with whatever balance is remaining for your daily and other expenses. Now, to summarize, there are 5 simple and practical steps or tips that you can implement to enable you to save starting from today. Number 1, identify the reason why you have to save. Number 2, set your savings target and time frame. Number 3, break down your savings target and the time frame or the period. Number 4, set up automatic withdrawal from your salary to your savings account, and that savings account has to be specific. Number 5, review your account on a monthly or quarterly basis. We have to stop here today. Remember, savings and investments that you make today will get you closer to your financial freedom in the future. A reminder to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video with your friends and family members. And also remember to press the notification button so that you can be aware whenever I upload my video. If there are topics you want me to discuss in the future, please put those topics in the comment section. Until my next presentation, thank you very much, merci beaucoup, and bye for now.